Hey YouTube, this is Roderick here, and this is update number 1, and just showing you all the frame that I got. I'm looking for, I like this frame. It's going to be a low budget summer project that I will have fun on for years to come. I especially like this bike because, sorry about the camera, I especially like this bike because I got it for cheap, $20 for a frame. I have an engine already. I'm working out, seating, shocks, tires and rims, and grips. I don't know, I don't really want to give up these metal grips because I like it. So I might just do something with like a four-wheeler grip, or a foot peg would be cool. But I'll probably just go the motorcycle grips. I'm gonna replace the fenders. I'm gonna completely paint it. And I'm looking at putting lights on it. Run off of a toggle switch where this is. So, I mean, I like it just because, I mean, you figure that is like the perfect height. You know, I don't care who you are, you never see anyone on a mini bike not having a good time.